You right, you right. Yo, what's up, my guy? Let me put on the Yu-Gi-Oh music. Alright, let me go ahead and switch it over to the hand cam. Oh, it's not working. Fuck. Well, hold on. Double check it. Gosh, why did it have to break now, man? I had it working literally before I went live. No, come back to me. Come back. Let me see if it'll work if I do this. Working now? Come on, man. Why did it break? Why did it break, bruv? Alright, hold on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what it's doing this. Alright, we'll just have to do with this. Oh, it's scuffed. Okay. As long as you can see my pull. Gucci. That's all that matters. Alright. I think we're good. This is fine. Yo! Yo! Free hand show? Yes, sir. A little slightly delayed, but it's fine. Alright, y'all ready for this? So this over. Ugh. Okay, hold on. Now I gotta change that. God damn it. Is the music okay? Is it too loud? Crack these open. Merry Christmas, by the way. Christmas. Wow. Oh my god, this crop is so bad. I just need the card and the price. Villain. Alright, so scuffed, but whatever works, right? Why did it zoom in? Did I click it? Oh. Alright. So, okay, that's fine. All right, bet. Yo, what's up? Music is good. Bet. All right, we're gonna crack open the mama first. Actually, no, let's do Darkwing Blast first. You never know. We're gonna crack open Darkwing Blast. Let's get it. God damn. Come on, bless my pools. Yo, what did you get, fam? Did you guys already open Christmas gifts over there? Alright, first pack. Actually, should I just open all of it to get the packs? Nah, let's just... Oh, not yet. We opened ours early because my mom was going to... She has work tomorrow. Alright, Darkwing Blast. Can we get something cracked? Can we get anything... Yo, Fenrir? Okay, we got Amazonist. I'll put them down here. Any noteworthy ones over right here? Dodie Cosmo. Navigate go down. Turbo Tainted? Yo, this one's kind of pog. Yo, we got a Magnemite! We got a Magnemite! Wait, that's $20. The one pack you got me was a $20 pack. Whoa. Yay! We got a Magnemite! Let's go! Air Claw, Original Bamboo Sword, Laughing Puffin, and Prediction Princess. Whoa, that's a mouthful. Bibliomute. Crazy. Hold on. Let me put it in this. I'll also sleeve it. That's wild. My best cards in these blue sleeves. And I'll put them in the book. I also got this from my brother. Yo, little mini book. Little mini trade binder. Yo. We'll go ahead and the Magnemite sleeve. Yeesh. Dude, this thing is $20 right now. This is trade value. Oh my god, this book is like, book is sturdy. Alright, first page of the card guard. Go, first pack already insane. Got a good feeling about this. Alright, we're gonna go to Mama first. So Mama, of course, if I can hit the goddamn Dark Magician Girl, it'd be kind of odd. Pharaoh Rare, maybe. This shout out to my cousins Peter and Jay for the gift. Oh, let's see what sleeves we got. All right, go Mama box, and the sleeves we got are give me Sky Striker. Ah, that's okay. Take these. We take these. All right. How many of these games? 4 packs. Get it. Pack numero uno. Pack numero uno. Come on, something crazy. Oh, and 39 Utopia Kaiser. Ooh, we got the Witchcrafter Fusion spell. Oni Bamaru. Okay, if I get sprite stuff, ayo. Oh, Kagari. Okay, and oh, Ray. Yo, we got the package. The package right there. Sky Striker package. Alright, next pack. Yo, we're still good for Monday, right, Leo? I'm hella down. I want to duel you, man. It's been a minute. Our next pack. Blue Eyes. This Dragon. Oh, we got the Fusion. Vice Madam. Pog. Legendary Ojin. Sir, yes sir, let's go. Ooh, a Nightmare Cerberus. Okay. Mary Xmas. And a Phoenix. Yo, that was a crack pack. That was a pretty good pack. Sheesh. Alright. You aren't ready? A bet. I'm ready. Alright, third pack from the Mama. Get something mad crazy. Yo! Harpy's Feather Duster. Oh. Yeah, look at that quality. I can actually show the picture now. You can read the text. A Zeke. Okay. Foolish Return. Okay. Cat Shark. Going. And a Dark Soul Tokens. Where's your model? Oh, my model's like crack, bro. He's broken. Hold on. I got you. Let me reset. Okay. Alright. We're fixed. Harpy's Feather Duster though. Crazy. Yeah, my model, I'm trying out having the model, because usually my webcam was for the model, but then when I do Yu-Gi-Oh, it'd be for the cards. But now I have, I'm using my phone for the cards, so you actually like the cards like this. I'm still working on the setup. Fine. Alright, come on, get something crazy. Okay, Millenniumizer Strict, let's go. Ooh, nice. We got some Ishizu. Okay, next. Girl lives and oh, what the hell? Yo, look at the top. It got clipped by the it got clipped by the sealer. No way. Hero lives and Dark Cannon. Okay. Yo, this is like a factory. Yo, you can feel it too. Good. Crazy. Feels funny. Alright, Harpy's Feather Duster was a big pod. Take those. Nice. We got a lot of like good staple stuff too for our extra deck, side deck. I'll sleeve up the Harpy's Feather Duster. Is there another one I want to sleeve up? I want to put my my pog poles in this little card thing. The card guard. Oh, 6 people. What's up? Have Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Those tuning in. What else was cracked in here? That thing's super. That's pretty like tame. Alright, card guard still here. We got so far our hits from our 1 pack of Darkwing Blast was a Bestial Magnamut, and then we got a Feather Duster from the Mama. Alright, the main event. What we're here for. Merry Chrysler. The power of the elements. Yo, what's up, John? Merry Christmas, my guy. Merry Christmas back. Alright, but we're here for some IRL gacha. We're here for power of the elements. Hopefully we can hit. Alright, let's go ahead and break this Konami seal. Open it this way. I didn't bring my knife with me. Maybe I should have brought a knife. I just used my tooth. Alright, here we go. Unseal, Sprite Blue, baby, that's what I'm hoping for. If you do ! Chase, you can see what I'm hoping for. It's basically like Elf, Blue, a Garura. I'm hoping for some godly pulls. Alright, let's get it. Y'all ready? Sure. So we got, what is it? It's 9 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. I think the ratio is 2 secret, 4 ultra, and then the rest are super. Let's open it. I want to open it like display style. This is my parents' gift for me for Christmas. Oh, there's a display. Alright, let's get the pulls going. So we'll do the first, okay, with the first side. 1, 2 secret, bet. Alright, let's set something good. First power of the elements card. But yeah, I want the Sprite stuff. Sprite would be lit. Alright, we got T. Avnus. I'll put the stuff that I can use down here, and Bogus up here. Hydro Lancer Orbit. Burn itself, I can actually use Morphtronic Telephone. Math Mech Circular, okay. Actually, I'm gonna just put all the comments right there. I'll put the rares right here. Melfi P. Cartone. Branded and Sprite Red. Okay. I'm calling third pack is cracked. A bet. I think it's like 3 cards to the front, right? I think that was the order. So 1, 3. Melfi Wow. Enoch. Oh, hold on. My neck is broken. Bro. Yourself. Okay. Overfusion. Bright Smashers. Chaos Crosskeeper. Vanguard. Scar and... Ooh, Paces. Okay, that's an Ultra. Hey, a Pit Knight. Pit Knight early. Goated. Alright, third pack. You call third pack? Call third pack? Let's see if it's cracked. Come on, third pack. Leo blessed you, third pack. He blessed you. So it's 4. 1, 2. Alright, here we go. Propaganda. Celiac. Merly. Chronic Converter. Ravenous Vendred. Chronic Earphone. And the part. Oh, Shift, Super. Ooh, what number next? What number next? Maybe you meant third on the left side. You mean third on the left side? Maybe you meant third on the left side. Alright. Front. Alright, we got Sprite Carrot. Sprite Carrot. This. Heirs of the Overroots. Hair Elements Crime. Vernisylph. Vernisylph. Mortronic Earphone. Mortronic Telephone. And Scatter Fusion. Okay, okay. I didn't even know that was in here. I didn't even know. Next prediction? What's your next prediction, fam? Come on, I want to hit something really good. Let me hit something really good. Okay, Sprite Pixie. Cody Chain. Brilliant Rose. Branded Explosion. Idris. Gadget Gamer. Next time you pull a Sprite card, it's gonna be cracked. Okay, okay. Life Extreme. Oh! Yo, we got Kaleido Heart for our secret. Okay, that means that we hit it so early. I didn't want to hit this early. All right, let's leave the Kaleido Heart. Okay. Let me. Where's Kaleido Heart at right now? I don't even know. Going here. So Kaleido Heart is. No, dude, Sprite Blue's the secret though. No! Like this. Told you. No, this isn't the Sprite though. I want Elf. Elf is Ultra, right? It's Elf. Where is this guy? What is the price of this? I guess he's only a 1-0. Elf is ult. Bet. I want Elf. I want at least one Elf. Oh, kick. Close. Kaleido Heart is a $2 card. God damn it. Kaleido Heart. Why you take my secret spot, bro? And this early. Okay, we're putting him in Hard Binder. Hard Guard. Oh, this is so hard to put cards in here. Here, there you go. The page, he's in the book. Alright, next pack. Got this. Is there a chance to get 3 supers? Did I get a factory misprint? 4 to the front. Alright. Go. Ascan. Donut Soliek. Or Soma. Rendezvous Vendred. Gadget Gamer. Here we go. And the foil. Ooh, Sharon? Okay. She's a super? I didn't realize she was a super. What is Reinhardt? Is Reinhardt a super? Oh, this one opened up really nice. I have a good feeling about this pack. Got a really good feeling about this pack. Right, early. Wally. Knock. Vernisylph. Oh, more try. Have the Vendred. Vernisylph. Aircloss. Okay. Fine. Bad. Bro, I keep opening the packs like this. Alright, here we go. On a converter. Right, Pixie. Merly. Penny. Life Extreme. Trying to scan in. Starry Red. Okay. And. Wait, and. Whoop. Yo! Yes! I got an elf! Let's go! Elf! Oh. Let's go. Oh, that's a big dub. I saved myself $15. Oh no. Elf is going right in the book. Oh, it's too lit. It's too lit. Yo, I opened the Mavs. The best thing I got from the Magnificent Mavens was this classic Harpies Feather Duster. Thank you. And then I also got these sleeves, right? And so I got some other good pulls in here. I also got this card. Yo, this card got clipped at the top. Look at the ridges. I got hit by the sealer, the pack sealer. Look now. But yeah, then we got some nightmare stuff. Got some waifu cards. Got some Kagaris. Pretty good. Thank you again for the gift, by the way. All right, back to the POTE. Oh wait, let me go to Elf. I know Elf is in. Let me at the front page. Page 2. Elf is page 2. Where's Elf? So we just pulled Elf. Crazy. Elf should be. There's Elf. At the top. It's 15 bucks. Go. Let's see what else we can get. Come on, POTE. So that's one of our chases. I wanted at least one Sprite Blue from this, and one Garura. That'd be pretty lit. One. All right, here we go. Carrot. Okay, like carrot. Princess. Carriers of the Overroot. Gentleman's Crime. Crosskeeper. Amaze Attraction. Digijamming. And here we go. Foil. EN Wave. This. Oh, it's a hero card, right? Okay. Alright, what's next? We're almost done with the right side. At the front. So we'll go a little bit faster because we've kind of seen all these now. Wally, Branded Explosion, Vernasil, Digijamming. Alright, foil. Come on, something crazy. Gem Knight Lady Rose Diamond. I see you. Alright, but let me get something crazy. Let me get something like actually crazy right here. Alright, and we flip. Smoky. Meta Noise. Another Ascan. A Sprite Red. Distance, Sprite Smashers, Hydro in Orbit, Starry Red, and for the foil, Gem Knight Quartz. Hey, following the other Gem Knight. Easy. Hey, there's noise. Last pack of the right side. Can we get something crazy? Can we get something insane? Ooh, that opened horribly. Alright, forward to the front. Something crazy. Another Ascan. Night Early. Pairs of the Overroot. Double Dust Tornado Twins. Vernasil. Sprite Gamma Burst. Ultronic Scan and hand. The foil. Coming up. Foil card. Crazy. Oh shit. Oh, it's okay. Ian and Cage Neils. You almost flicked that thing. Alright, so we got one secret and two ultras from there. So we have one more secret still. Okay. Not bad. Right side, kind of good. Good right now. I think left side. Let's see, left side's a little bit better. You know what? Let's make it pull from the left. All right, left side. Any left side hopefuls? Left side gamers? There should be at least one more secret. The other secret's gonna be the Predaplant Field Spell. No, don't say that, bro. Why would you curse that? Why would you curse me? No. Hold on, let me move these packs. Alright. Here we go. I'm predicting. It's a good card though, I guess. Alright, go to chain. This Murder. Element Select. Gamma Burst. Airfawn. Cannon and the first foil of the left side. Oh, I counted wrong. First foil. Exosister Returnia. Okay, okay. Bet. Good trade value. True. Down to trade. Always down to trade. I'm down to trade more than sell now. They get more money back. Alright, Rika Princess. Right Carrot. Metanori. Wally. Ice Jade. Gadget Gamer. Life Extreme and... Always this card when I miscount. Alright, foil for this pack. Crazy! Oh! Therion Irregular. Boo. Boo. What could it have been? I don't know the ultimates too well. Oh, Garura. Could have been a Garura. It's okay. We can hit one more. We'll hit one more, bet. Therion Irregular. Not like this. Alright. Next pack. Branded. Another Shari Red. It's always this card before the foil. What the heck going on? And Yugioh, the foil for this pack. Burnisil Corolla. Yeah, it'd be cool if I got the fairy herself. I think I need 2 of those. Bird calls for Garura. Let's go. Alright, is Garura in this pack now? Is that bird call? Alright, red. Nightmare, Fusion, Brilliant Rose, and then 100. Rare, and here we go, foil. Oh. Therion Empress. Okay. The super. Ooh, this pack opened very weirdly. Got a feeling about this. And Merly, Odie, Terrors, Orbit, H opening stand. Not yet, he's not. Havness? Wait, this is a tier pack. Melfi's? And last card, it's a monster. Yo! Sprite Blue! We got Sprite Blue! Wait! Yo, this is the #1 card in this pack. Yo. What is the price on this guy right now? Wait. This guy is like 35, right? Where is he? Where's Sprite Blue? Yo, this is crazy. We hit one of the cards we wanted. There it is. 35.88, boy. Big W, 80 bucks. No, it's 35 now. It went down in price. It went down sadly, but yo, I want to build Sprite, so this is lit. Oh my gosh, we hit 2 out of 3 of the chase cards that I wanted. Woo! Yo, oh my god. Okay. I dropped it, but it's in the sleeve. It's chilling. Yo, this page looks sick. Yes, sir. Let me know if you want to build runes. No, I'm chilling. I might do like live twin runic. Yes, sir. These are the 2 cards I wanted the most from this box. That is worth. This whole box is worth it now. This box is money back. And it was a gift though, so it's chilling. Let's go. Yes, sir. Xmas haul looking pretty stacked. Alright, let's see the next one. Big 35. Exactly. Alright. We get something. We get the Garura. What is this card? Propagande? I've never seen this guy. What is this? I like it. Level 3? Italy? The Oxon. Women Crime. Real Train. Digijamming. Gamburst and... Oh, and... Another... Oh, that's our first dupe. Whatever that is. Ian Neo Stick. It's okay. Or huh? Another Pit Night early. Love to see it. Princess. Sprite Carrot. We got a lot of Sprite Carrots. Lit. And a noise. Crosskeeper. And foil for this pack. Rika Konkon. Okay. So we have one more ultimate, right? Oh, come on, be Garura. Please! Garura, please, bro. Princess, Wally, Burr, Red, Asher, Orbit, Sorry Red, and our little bit. Foil is, oh, it's a trap? Favorite contact, no! Our ultimate! I thought it was purple, I thought it was gonna be Garura. Oh, 4 more packs left for the vid, for the stream. Not like this, team. Go team, can we get a big dub here? I don't know what else we can get. What would we pog? What would we pog in here? Right, red. Wander. Oh, fusion. Can we get another secret? Wait, crazy that would be? Hey, Neos! Cool. Mr. Neos himself. Pretty followed, pretty followed. 3 more packs. I'm predicting a PSA 10 Garura. Hey, yo. There's something crazy. Another Merly. Errors. Emoki. Vernicil. Ravenous. Color Soma. And... ooh, another Sharon. No Pog? 2? Yo, am I building tiers? A budget tier? Budget tier deck, yo. Alright, second to last pack of the box. Alright, Branded and Central Dogma, Pit Knight Early, Double Dust Tornado, Dark, the Ravenous, Vanguard, Vernicil, Smashers, and yo, Sprite Jet. Nice. That was like the only one we were missing. Bet. Alright, last pack of Destiny. Ah! Yugioh! Towards the front. And let's get it. Last pack. Last pack magic. Brilliant Rose. Double Dust Tornado Twister. Twins. Propagandake. Ascan, the Bicorn Goatee. Morphtronic Telephone. Crawler Soma. Ravenous Vendred and Gadget Gamer and last card, last foil. To the credit. Oh, hey, yo, Punk. I already have 3 of this though. Hey, but gotta end it on Punk, right? Good old Punk. Sheesh. My favorite. Damn. Okay, so for the left side, I think the right side was definitely better. But I had Sprite Blue. So like the big hits, right? So these are my ultimates. I got Paces, Therion Irregular, the Paces and Therion Irregular, and this no card. Favorite contact. No Garura, Stash. But we did hit the Sprite Blue and Jet. Beast. And earlier in the stream, if you were late, the one random pack of Darkwing Blast, I pulled a Magnemite. Huge profit back. Huge. That's 20 bucks trade value right there. And then we also pulled... oh yeah, I forgot the other secret was a Kaleido Heart. Not the worst secret. Not the worst. And then we got the Harpy's Feather Duster. Hog. We got Sprite Elf and Blue. Super good. Super good. Let's go. Huge. And then from Supers... what did I get crazy? I'll probably put that stuff to the side. I actually want this. Alright. I think my favorite cards I hit were... I managed to get 2 Sheeran. 2 Sheeran. A Jet. Another Dragon Drive, you know. Circular. Not bad. And then... Shift. I think I might use Shift. I can use Shift in Fish deck. But yeah, crazy. Yo, the Elf and the Blue were worth it. Oh my goodness. What value? This box was crazy. Bless this box. We go ahead and put the packs back in. Eesh. Absolutely insane. And yeah, if you need commons, bro, hit me up. I got POTE commons now. So I have a hella Pit Knights pod. Pit Knights big. But yeah, and then again, Mama pack was also lit. Got a lot of good stuff out of here. Got more common staples, is lit. And waifu cards, more waifus. Big lit, big lit. And yeah, the Darkwing Blast with the Bahamut. Peace. Alright, I think I'll call it there. Merry Christmas, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Sheesh. Them pulls were crazy. Them pulls were crazy. Yeah. Yo, let me show it again. Yeesh. God damn. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I'll see you Monday, Leo. Better be ready, bruh. But yeah, peace out, ladies. Good night.